Here we are again. Beautiful Saturday morning out in the gorge once again. Today we are doing Lyle Cherry Orchard hike. It's on the Washington side, so it's untouched by the fire. Yeah, it's a gorgeous day, a little windy. Here with Sherilyn again.
Hey.
And yeah, we're gonna get going. Talk to you soon. You know that, well, obviously we already talked about the Friends of the Gorge own this land, but they actually paved the trail, or forged the trail and everything in 1992, and they actually bought the land from an old Lyle, Washington resident. This is great. He's an old man. His name was Rex. All this was just, there's no trails, no nothing. The founder or whatever, the Friends of the Gorge, when they were exploring the land, the parcels that they bought, there's remnants of an old cherry orchard just at the top. So obviously that's how they named it, was after the town, and the cherry orchard found on the top. I don't think there's actually going to be any cherries because they're probably non-fruiting trees, but hopefully there's some awesome blossoms and other beautiful wildflowers to take in.